Then going on with the next ayah, there comes a kind of a new word here, new letter here, qa, qa, which is different to English letter ka, like K. No, it is going to be a bit more heavy in Arabic, okay? qa, قيما لينذر. Okay, qa. It is going to be a bit more heavy. Qayyi and then y sound of English, but we are going to be a bit more like qayyi, yi, qayyi. Okay, like this. قيما لينذر. And then there is the M sound, same as English in qayyi, and then there is a rule applied here as well, which is a rule we say idgham to this rule, but I'm not going to tell you this rule for the time being. We can do so in other in the next classes as well, because today the rule we have read is of when we do ikhfa, when we try to make the voice like sound of noon, we try to hide that sound. So the same we are going to learn in other ayahs as well. About the other rules we are going to learn side by side, inshallah. Okay, so we for now I'm just saying that you have to join these two voices, man, ma sound with la sound, next alphabet. Okay, قيما لينذر. If you want to learn, I will share the PDF as well, okay, in group after this class. Okay, قيما لينذر. Then I am hiding the noon's voice here, again just as I did in anzala. Okay, here the same rule. This rule is called ikhfa, so I am going to do the same here as well. Okay. قيما لينذر بأسا. Okay, I am going to hide the voice of noon here because there is a specific letter here, the which comes in the 15 letters when we apply these rules. So that is why we are going to hide the voice of noon here. قيما لينذر. Okay, yunzira, and then there is this soft z, okay, soft the, and then there is raw, okay. قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا. Okay, in بأسا شديدا. Okay, then there is this letter ba and then a letter of English, but we are going to say it with a bit of jerk, ba, rather than saying ba. Like, no, we are going to make the hamza prominent here, like ba, ba, sa, and then the s sound of English with a bit more of like air, ba, sa, shadidam. Then sh sound of English, and then the sound of English, d, but with a bit more light, like shadi, d, rather than d, shadi. No, we are not going to say d, okay? The shadi, d, the th sound, d kind of, okay? شديدا من لدنه. Okay, now what we have done here is again a rule, okay, just like we did here. قيما لينذر. For your information, I am, there is coming the rule here as well, like idgham. It is written here, and the same rule as here, like idgham. What happens in this rule is that we kind of, the sound of one letter enters into the other. You can hear it like shadidam, the dal sound joined with the m sound, shadidam. And there is another thing happening here as well, which is called gunna. What gunna is that we stay for a bit on the m sound here, that whenever in Quran there is this m sound with the tashdid symbol on it. Tashdid is this w symbol. Okay, this w symbol, whenever the letter meme and noon has this w symbol on it, we stay for a bit on that word, like shadidam, shadidam, a bit, shadidam min ladunhu. Okay, we stayed for a bit. These rules will be repeated again and again, so you need not to worry about it. Okay, shadidam min ladunhu. Okay, then again the same ha and just joining a meme with lam, because it is a rule that is same rule here as well. Okay, the mil yani qayyimalli, qayyimalli, joining just meme with lam. Okay, and then here again meme with lam, milladunhu, and then this ha again is the one we pronounce with the portion of the throat near to the chest, ha. Okay, then coming towards the next letter, next word, which is wayubashiro. This letter is easy, okay, because it has all the alphabets similar to English, and but then there is this wa, okay, wa, which is like we have to make our lips round, okay, wayubashiro al-mu'minina, ويبشر ويبشر and then we'll join ويبشر المؤمنين. So whenever a hamza comes in second position, we kind of make it a jerk, okay, like in a jerk way. Mu'minina, the same we did here in ba, okay, ba'sa mu'minina. Okay, then we will join the mu'minina alladhina. Okay, because we join when there's this W symbol. Okay, because W is an L, it means that this lam is going to be joined with the previous letter. Mu'minina alladhina. Then this has same letters we discussed before, that there is this soft the. Okay, and all the other letters are easy. Alladhina. يعملون الصالحات يعملون الصالحات, and then there is this ra sound, ra. Okay, so this as I told you, is not similar to the a of English. Okay, this is a bit different, which is ra, ra. Okay, so yeah, yeah, the sound of ayn goes on, like it does not break between it. Okay, there isn't any break in it, like the break of hamza. We say yeah, yeah, it goes on. Okay, ya'maluna salihati. Okay, then there comes a word saw, which is different to sa, ba'san. How they are different is that seen is a bit light, s, with a whistle sound as well, s. But saw is there isn't any whistle in it, and also it is a bit heavy. You can hear the difference of seen and saw. Sa and saw, sa and saw. يعملون
الصالحات.
الصالحات. Oh, okay. يعملون الصالحات. الصا صا rather than sa. صا الصالحات أن لهم. What we did on anna is the same we did on meme, because whenever there is going to be meme with the tashdid symbol, which is W, and whenever there is going to be noon letter with the tashdid symbol, we are going to stay for a bit. Okay, we are going to stay like this. Anna, anna lahum. Okay. Anna lahum ajran hasana. Okay, this ha is same as the ha of Allah and the same ha as here. So we are going to say like this. Anna lahum. Okay, then ajran. Okay, ajran. So this letter j, as I told you earlier as well, that this letter has quality to repeat. So that is why we are repeating this word kind of like this. Aj, j, aj. Ajrun, ajrun, j. You can remember these words. Okay, ajrun. These are 5 letters. And then there is hasana, hasana. This ha is different than ha, ha. Okay, hasana, hasana. Okay, the scene with a bit more like s, with a bit more air, with a bit more whistle sound. S, hasana.